Hi guys, I am Prajeet Singh. So it's uh, day 4 of Kaggle machine learning course. So let's solve this notebook for day 4. So I've already solved this and I will help you to explain the logic and how to approach this exercise. So we have to first run this cell. Here you can see that it is running. So we have to let it execute. It might take some time. Okay, so here we have seen the session have started, and let us read the question. Any programming language have sign available as a built-in function. Python doesn't, but we can define our own. In the cell below, define a function called sign, which take a numerical argument and return -1 if it's negative, 1 if it's positive, and 0 if it's 0. Okay. So we have to define a function. We have defined a function and the name of the function is sign, and we will take input in a number variable. So we are checking this using if condition. If number is less than 0, we will return -1 because the number is less than 0. Elif, elif stand for else if number is equals to 0, we will return 0, and if elif number is greater than 0, we will return 1. So we have to call a function, sign function, and let us check with by giving -100. Okay, we got out right. Let us check with +100. We have done right. So instead of writing elif, you can also write else statement like this. Else, we have to indent, return 1, and we don't need this. Okay, the reason it worked because when you give a number 100, it's checked if the number is less than 0, false, so it will check this statement. So 100 is equals to 0, false. If both the statement is false, it will execute this statement 1. So you can also see the solution, like if you will delete this hash sign, you will run this and see the solution, like it is exactly same we have done here, right? So put a hash and run it one more time. Define. Okay, so the next question is, we have decided to add login to our smash function from the previous exercise. Okay, so they are asking return a number of leftover candies that must be smashed after distributing to given number of candies evenly between 3 friends. Okay, so if you will run this, the shortcut in window to run your code is shift and enter. Okay, splitting 91 candies. So we have defined a function to smash. Here we will take input total candies. We are printing it, splitting total candies, 91 candies. Okay, and we are returning total candies modulus 3. And if we call this function smash 91, will print this splitting 91 candies, splitting 91, because the total number of candies is 91, and it will print this candies, and it will do the modulus function. It will find the remainder 91 modulus 3, the remainder will be 1. So here we are getting 1. What happens if we call total candies equals to 1? To smash, let's find. Splitting 1 candies equals to 1. If we call 1, it will give an output splitting 1 candies 1. So you can see grammar is wrong, because it is showing candies, but it should show CANDIE, candy, because it's a singular. So here they have written that is in great grammar. Modify a definition in the cell below to correct the grammar of our print statement. If there are only one candy, we should use singular candy, candy, instead of candies. Okay, so I have already solved this. So what we need to do, first we need to not define a function. So we have defined to smash total candies, and uh, print splitting total candies comma candy, return total candy modulus 3, to smash 91, to smash 1. Okay, see. Okay, so it is showing it is showing candies. Okay, so it is not solved yet. We have to solve this. So we can write if statement. If we write if total candy total candies is greater than 1, to print this. Okay, we have to print this, and total candies equals to 1, print, we have to print this. To copy this, paste this here, give double. Okay, okay, we will here candy. So let's see. So here you can see it is printing splitting 91 candies, splitting 1 candies, candies. So let's check if it works or not. Invalid syntax, so we will have to write equals to 1. Okay, yeah, so you can see it's working. Splitting 91 candies, splitting 1 candy. So basically we have wrote if statement that if candies is greater than 1, then we will print splitting 91 candies. If total candy equals to 1, print splitting 1 candies, and we will return total candies modulus 3. Very simple. We are done with it. You can also check the solution from here, like print. They have done if total candies equals to 1. We have also done that. Print splitting one candy. We should not write 1 here. We can write this total candy, the variable name. Okay, and print splitting else split total candy is equals to candy. So they have also done the same. uh, let's move to the next question. Okay, okay, so define prepared for weather. So you have to write a statement to prove that prepared for weather is buggy. Come up with a set of input where either the function written false but should have written true, or function written true but should have written false. To get credit for completing this question, your code should return correct result. Okay, so the statement is, in the tutorial we talked about deciding whether we have prepared for the weather. I said that I am safe from today weather if I have an umbrella. If you have an umbrella, you are safe from rain. Or if the rain isn't too heavy and I have hood. Rain is not so heavy and you have a hood, so you are safe from rain. Otherwise, I am still fine unless it's raining and it's a work day. So it is not raining, but it's a work day. Okay, I am still fine unless it is raining and it's a working day. Okay, so it's raining and it is not a working day, then you are safe. Okay, so don't change this code. Our goal is to find the bug, not fix it. Okay, our goal is to find a bug. Okay, so uh, let's see what they have done. Define prepared for weather. It's a function. Have umbrella, rain level, have hood is working. Okay, so return have umbrella or rain level less than 5. Okay, and have hood or not rain level and is work day. Okay, so it's tricky. hmm. So let's do one thing. Write this in a hash comment and write our own statement. RET in return. Uh, we have umbrella and you have an umbrella. Okay, so have umbrella is equals to true. Okay, or uh, rain isn't too heavy and I have hood. So rain is not so heavy. So they have written rain level is less than 5, means it's not heavy. Okay, and have hood and have hood. Okay, this is also right. So use this the bracket. Understand this easily. Okay, and it's raining but not working day. Okay, so it's raining uh, or it's raining, rain level is greater than 0, means it's raining and it's not working day and not is work day. Okay, let us check whether it is working or not. Correct, we are getting incorrect. Okay. Let's write this outside. So x and is or you can have umbrella or raining is less than 5. Raining is less than 5 and then you have wood. On not rain level is greater than 0. Okay, it's difficult. Let's have some hint. Take a look at how we fixed our original expression in the main lesson. We added parentheses around certain sub-expression. The bug in this code is called by Python evaluating certain operation in the wrong order. Okay, it's operating in the wrong order. Okay, it's worked. Have umbrella or Okay, let us see the solution. I think we are stuck here. One example of failing test is have umbrella false in level to 0. Clearly we are prepared for the weather in this case. It's not raining. Not only that, it's not a work day. Okay, so you can read from here. Not rain level is greater than 0 and is working. The key problem is that Python implicitly parentheses the last part as. Okay, whereas we were trying to express would more like not rain level greater than 0 and is work day. Not rain level greater than 0 and is work day. We are also doing the same. Okay, I think we are stuck here. Uh, hmm. Okay. Okay, if, we will get back to this. Let's move to the next question now. So, okay, so function is negative, below is implemented correctly. It returns true if the given number is negative and false otherwise. Okay. However, it's more verbose than it need to be. We can actually reduce the number of line of code by 75%. We have to reduce the line of code defined is negative number. If the number is negative, it should return true, else it should return false. And try to keep to one line. Okay, we have to keep to one line. Okay, it's pretty easy, I think. Just write a return statement. Return uh, number uh, less than 0. It should work. Yeah, it worked. So what it will do that if the number is less than 0, it will give true value, and if the number is greater than 0, it will give a false value. So we are done with this. Okay. Return whether the customer doesn't want onion. Okay. Return not onion. Okay. So here they are returning like they are defining a function called onionless, and the function is made in such a way that a customer does not want onion. He only want ketchup and mustard. So return not onion. Define once all topping ketchup, mustard, onion. Return whether customer want the work all three topping. So customer want all three topping. Okay, I think it is easy. We can handle this. Return and mustard, and I think this should work. Let's see. Okay, so we are using an AND statement, and AND statement will be true if all the conditions are met. So if a customer want ketchup with mustard with onion, it will return true value, else it will return false. 5b. Want plain hot dog, ketchup, mustard, onion, return whether the customer want a plain hot dog, no topping. Okay, just a plain hot dog, nothing. Okay, this is also pretty easy. Return not statement, we can write not statement, and we can write ketchup or mustard or onion. Let's check. Yeah, correct. Okay, so this statement uh, is basically not telling that if we don't write not here, the condition will be if customer want ketchup or mustard or onion, it will give true value. We use not. So or will become and not ketchup and not mustard and not onion. It will give true. Next one is exactly one sauce. Okay, exactly one sauce. Written statement. Uh, ketchup, ketchup, and not mustard or mustard and not ketchup. Correct. So what we are doing here is we have to give a condition where we need only one sauce. So ketchup and not mustard. We only need ketchup, or mustard and not ketchup. We only need mustard. Right. Okay. Define exactly one topping: ketchup, mustard, onion. Return whether the customer want exactly one of the three toppings on their hot dog. Okay, so the customer want only one topping, one of the three available option. Okay, so we can use addition function in this. Okay, let me try it first. Return if we add this ketchup plus mustard plus on onion equals to 1 equals to 1. Okay, so suppose customer have taken only ketchup and not mustard and onion, so here it is 1. Mm, True will be 1, false will be 0. So 1 plus 0 equals to 1, true. So by this we can get exactly one topping. Okay, number 7 is optional, so we will not do it now. We will do it afterward in the next video. And we are struggling with one question. So let me give it one more shot. Let me see. Okay, we have umbrella. We have umbrella and our rain level is less than 5 and have hood. We have umbrella and then rain level is greater than 1, less than 5, or let's see this false. Right, or here, and ren level is greater than 0, less than 0. Okay, but instead of using write this also, not ren level is less greater than 0 and is workday. Okay, let us use this. Not, it's not a workday. Like this. Okay, we got invalid syntax. Uh, okay, I think there is something wrong with the function. We are doing it right. I have to check this and I will post it in the next video if I get some solution. So for now we are done with the exercises. Actually we don't need to run it because here they have said don't change this code. Our goal is just to find a bug and not fix it. We don't have to fix it, we just need to find a bug. But they have given us solution here, but it's not working. So I will check what's the issue is and I will post on the next video, like not tomorrow. So for now we are done and we can check whether we have received the credit or not. So kaggle.com, uh, code, sorry, you have to go to course, go to Python, and here you can see we are done the day 4. So thank you guys for staying with me, and if you like my content, please like and subscribe my channel and share this video the people who need help, because I am also starting, and the people can see that the person who are starting will struggle with the coding part. It might take some more time for them to code or to find a solution, but as they practice and practice, they will get better in this. So yeah, so thank you guys for staying with me. Bye bye.